Have you ever wondered why cities dedicate valuable space to parks instead of buildings? As we navigate through Italy's bustling urban centers, these green sanctuaries offer a stark contrast to surrounding concrete landscapes. Urban parks are more than just beautiful spaces. They're essential components of city infrastructure, functioning as multifaceted resources that address environmental, social, and health challenges. Parks serve as the lungs of our cities, filtering pollutants and combating urban heat islands that plague Rome and Milan during summer months. They manage stormwater, reducing flood risks while preserving biodiversity that would otherwise vanish from our urban environments. Beyond environmental benefits, parks create democratic spaces where Italians from all backgrounds gather freely, fostering community bonds through festivals and informal gatherings. The advantages extend directly to your well-being. Research consistently shows that access to green spaces significantly improves both physical and mental health. Parks encourage activity through walking paths and sports facilities, addressing sedentary lifestyles. Psychologically, time spent in these natural settings reduces stress, anxiety, and depression while improving cognitive function. In Italian cities, parks that blend natural elements with historical features create uniquely restorative environments for everyone.